Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy S&P 500 on XTB Trading. And first of all, I need to tell you something because we have a market watch right here and you can search here in this tab literally everything that you want to buy. So we want to buy S&P 500 and now you will find all the S&P 500. So now search for the one that you like, but I want the S&P 500 in healthcare, the iShare. So I click now on this one, and then from here we can buy or sell the S&P 500 with our account. I'm using a demo account, but if you have a real account, you can click right here on buy and you can click right here on sell and then fill in the amount of pips that you want to buy or sell. You can also do a stop loss by then, first of all, click right mouse click open chart. And then from here, set a stop loss or a take profit. And then you can click here on buy or sell. This is how you can buy S&P 500 on XTB Trading. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.